Ever thought of doing this with instant noodles? In a dish, I'll add some noodles, then a bit of tomato sauce. I use some of the noodle seasoning packet. Now I'll add a bit more tomato sauce. Let's pour in milk, filling it halfway. Add 100 grams of heavy cream. Some mozzarella, use as much as you like. A few slices of pepperoni. Sprinkle some Parmesan on top. Now let's add a pinch of oregano on top. All set. Now pop it in the oven at 130 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden. Check it out, folks. These noodles look amazing. It's super quick, easy, and tasty. And quite different from what you're used to. I hope you all enjoyed this, guys. Try making this perfect noodle dish at home for dinner. I hope you liked it. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks.